What's up guys, Major here, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use your PS5 controller on your iOS device. For you to be able to connect the PS4 controller to your iPhone, you must be running iOS 14.5 or later. If you're not running up to that, it will never work. So that is it. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can also turn on notifications to see my latest videos when I drop them. First of all, you have to open your settings app and go to Bluetooth, turn it on, then you press on the share plus PS button. It's going to flash, and when it flashes, you have to search for the Dualsense Controller and tap on it to pair to your iOS device. So that is how you do it, and it's pretty easy. So yeah, that's how you connect your Dualsense controller